If you would like a chance to win the stuff that is in the giveaway, rule number 1 is that you must watch this video in full. I do kind of keep track of that stuff, and if I do find that you didn't watch the video in full, I apologize, but you will be disqualified. Hello, how is everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today. I am super stoked because dun, 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 I have the big one. Super excited to get into this today, and if you haven't figured it out yet, there is a giveaway associated with this. I'm very specifically looking for things in this box, so anything that I don't want, I will be putting in a giveaway. So we'll figure that out at the end of this video. Rule number 2, subscribe to this channel and also set your subscriptions to public. That way I'm able to check. Unfortunately, if your subscriptions are set to private and I cannot check on that, you will be disqualified. I should also just mention, YouTube has nothing to do with my giveaways. Nobody that is associated with YouTube has anything to do with my giveaways, and I'm just so excited to get into this. I don't know if you guys can't see my whole shirt, but it says, but first, equality. So let's get into this. My lady balls have been in my stomach since I placed this order on Thanksgiving Day. Like, just because I know that Jeffree Star's website tends to have so many issues, and I know that people get notifications saying that they got it and then they didn't get it, or that it was in their cart, and by the time they got through the line, it was just a mess. But, oh no, I can't get it open. But so, I mean, I pretty much just been a nervous wreck since the day I ordered this, because I wasn't 100% satisfied that I got it until I saw it on my doorstep today. So I'm probably gonna end up dying of a heart attack before I turn 44 next year. Rule number 3, like this video. Okay, so I open it up and this is what I see. Let's see. So the first thing, it looks like clothing. What is this? I'm just gonna throw the trash on the floor. Let's see. Okay, so it's a hoodie and it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Premium Cosmetic Company, 5-year anniversary. And it is a hoodie. And so that is super cool. I love the purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. And then let's see, what is this? Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is this. Ooh, trash on the floor. Peppermint Frost, Skin Frost Palette. Okay, all right. Rule number 4, tell me where you're from, and if I were to vacation in your area, what would be the number 1 thing that I would like to do there? So that's what it looks like. Ooh, that is super pretty. Let's get a couple of swatches. Oh, it smells too. It smells like peppermint. So let's see. My lighting, sorry about my lighting. Chocolate ice. Igloo gold and ugly sweater. Oh my goodness, those are so pretty. Wow, cool, that's mine. Clout, shake well before use. Ooh, that is so pretty. That is pretty. I'm loving that. Okay, I'm not going to swatch that. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I'm gonna stick it to the side now that I have highlighter all over my hands. The next thing I am pulling out is Huntington Beach. Okay, that's pretty. Cool. And then let's see, we got a straw, a reusable straw. Okay, that's cool. Totally keeping that. Love it. And then I got another highlighter in Supreme Frost highlighter in Money Honey. Let's take a peek, shall we? Ooh, that packaging is gorgeous. That is so pretty. I love that. I don't want to swatch that. I'm not sure what I want to do with that yet. I don't know if I want to keep it or put it in the giveaway. I don't know. I'm also pulling out stickers. Now, I know that there have been a lot of complaints about these. I'm not really a sticker person. I would have much rather had a cosmetic in here, but it is what it is. And then let's see, the last thing I am pulling out, ooh, is a Thirsty palette. It's super pretty. Rule number 5, in your comment, also tell me which items you would like to win. Since there will be multiple winners, I need to know which one you want to be entered in. If you want to be entered in all of them, that's fine too. The packaging is really, really pretty. I really like that. And then opening it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so I have decided what I am going to give away. So this giveaway will have 2 winners. Ugh, my nerves are bothering me, sorry. I've been just waiting so long for this and it's driving me up the wall. I have really bad nerves, but there will be 2 winners for this giveaway. Make sure you follow the rules that I have placed sporadically in this video, and someone will win the Thirsty palette, and then someone else will win the hoodie that is in a size medium and the lipstick that is in Huntington Beach. And last but not least, rule number 6. I would like somewhere in your comment the phrase to be, I'm shook. That's it, pretty simple. Not too many hoops you have to jump through, but there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I've been waiting for this what seems like forever. Goodness. Have a great day. Bye.